if you're wondering if you have a bad motor mount, you probably wonder, okay, how do I know for sure? You may have the telltale signs of when you're in your car, it's at idle, and you feel the vibration in the car. You put in reverse, you put it in drive, you're just sitting still, at idle, and you just feel the vibration going through the steering wheel, through the seat. You feel that vibration, so that's a clue. Another way to look at it, and I'll show you how to do it, but I want to show you this part first. If you look at the motor mount in the car, you're probably going to see the bottom side down here. And it's probably going to look fine. You're like, oh, that looks good to me. It looks fine. I don't see any issues. So my motor mounts are good, but maybe not really. The part that you don't see will be up top, which will be up here. And first, you may look at it, oh, that looks fine. I don't see any issues with that. But then when it's off the car, you can actually, you see how that's all moving around and it's moving in and out. That's bad. The fluid has come out of there and it's ready to break completely off. It's just completely broken off. So you won't be able to see that just by visually looking at it while it's on the car. So I'm going to show you how you can do a test to see if your motor mount's broken. And before I start the video, hey, could you guys please go down there and hit the subscribe button? I have a lot of other videos out there working on my cars, and they may be able to help you out, different types of cars. So I may have worked on cars that you guys have. So please go down and hit the subscribe button. And it wouldn't be so bad if you hit the like button if you like at the end too as well. So in the video, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to have the car running. I'm going to have 1 foot on the gas and 1 foot on the brake. And I'm going to apply the gas, not rev it up high, but a bit of gas. I'm going to switch between reverse and drive. And each time I'm doing that, I'm applying a little bit more gas to it as I hit that reverse or hit that drive. With my foot staying on the brake now. And then what you're going to see, you're going to look at, keep an eye on the engine. You're going to see the engine moving up and down. That motion, that movement of going up and down of the engine, that's letting you know your motor mount's broken. If the motor mount wasn't broken, that engine shouldn't be moving like that. All right, so take a look at the video. So in the video, you were able to see the driver's side of the engine just going up and down. That was letting you know that the driver's side motor mount was bad. It could be your passenger side motor mount that's bad. And it could be worse. You can see your engine move up a lot more than it was on my car. Either which case, that's one good way to know that your motor mount is definitely bad. Thanks for joining. Please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot.